Today I am going to review about the best CNC machine on the market. Number 1. The Jinmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit is an upgraded version of the 3018 model that comes with several improvements to enhance its functionality and ease of use. One notable improvement is that all the components come pre-positioned, which reduces the difficulty of assembly and improves the working accuracy. Additionally, the base height has been raised to 4 centimeters, which provides better stability during operation. This CNC router kit is capable of cutting various materials, including plastics, soft aluminum, woods, acrylics, PVCs, and PCBs, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. The upgraded power adapter is UL-approved, and it supports the drop in 20 RPM spindle, eliminating the need to modify the G-code to ramp up to full speed. The Jinmitsu 3018 Pro uses GRBL controller software, which is a high-performance open-source software for controlling movement and runs on Arduino. GRBL's dependability and simplicity make it an industry standard, and there are plenty of support and resources available when you get stuck. The kit also comes with Carvico MakerCam design software and Candle for controlling your machine and running your G-code design files. Number 2. The Jinmitsu CNC Router Machine Pro verxl 4030 is a high-performance machine that comes with several features to enhance precision, performance, and ease of use. One of the standout features is the pre-assembled module of XYZ axis and wires, which significantly reduces the effort required for assembly. This allows you to start carving your projects in less time, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. The machine comes with a 3-month Carvico Maker subscription, which provides you with a powerful toolset to turn your ideas into fun projects or your own work of art. The subscription link is emailed to you after you place the order, making it easy to access and start using the software. Number 3. The Jinmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit Milling Engraving Machine is a versatile and efficient tool for cutting and engraving various materials. The kit comes with a CNC spindle motor with an ER11 collet, which will be shipped separately. This spindle motor is compatible with the Jinmitsu 3018 series CNC router and is pre-installed with a noise suppression PCB, which enhances performance. The machine comes with a premium power adapter that has CE, FCC, UL approval for safety and stability. The adapter is built to withstand heavy duty and long usage performance, making it stable even when working for a long time or with a laser module. An offline controller is included with the machine, which allows manual adjustments to the X, Y, and Z axis without connecting to a computer. This feature provides convenience and flexibility to the user. Assembly instructions are provided, and if any questions arise, the same Smart Wiki page or customer service can provide assistance. Which product is good for you, and definitely make a comment which product you like. Keep watching the video until you get your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. You will make a comment which the viewer can understand or the customer can understand, which will be very good for them. Stay with us by subscribing and liking and wait for the next video.